Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing some tabs, and I don't know what we're gonna do. These guys are close range. Well, the dynamite throw them, but they don't throw that far. I think we're gonna hit up. No, not a boost. Let's get a. By the way, if you don't know what tabs is, it's where you command an army and you fight the other army. So we're red. And I don't know what we're gonna put down. There's a lot of things. There's spooky, pirate, renaissance, dynasty, Viking, ancient, medieval, farmer, and tribal. They go in this order, right? Yeah. And we're fighting Wild West. These guys are really overpowered, so I'm gonna get some. No, I'm gonna try just one, to see if it does anything. Yeah, that's not gonna do it. He's only 1,000. He does so good. Yeah, see, like, I could totally beat this guy with that. Here, watch this. If and then I'm in. Battle before me. It's 2 shots for the guy. They kind of just blow themselves because they throw that too easy. I don't know if it damages them, but easy win. I won't be doing this. This is kind of cheating. See, that was easy. They blew up themselves. My guy, floating, killed them with his sword key locks, apparently. And they had their pickaxes. So, well, that was easy, man. Nobody beat my sword, dude. Like I said, they're kind of overpowered. So, let's see what we got. We got, landing cacti. Wow. Cactus. Cacti. Whatever you want to call them. Let's see what we got. What is this? Are these cactuses? No way. I wonder what they do. And there's more pickaxes. Look at their mustaches. Nice mustache. Why? Anyway. What should we do? What should we put down? We should put down some spooky. No way, that's what we just did. These are one of my favorite troops. They like the best. Let's just put that down. They're pretty good too. But they're 200 each. They make everybody go in there. And it's kind of overpowered. And that stalled the cactuses, but then the miners come in and they shoot right there. And now they're gonna destroy. It lifts them up in the air. It's hilarious. Got it. Got just chilling in the air. And they land down on their faces. This guy's alive. Oh no, they're not winning. What do the cactuses do? I wasn't paying attention. Oh, they like... What do they do? I have really no idea. Maybe we'll find out next time. We play. I mean, right now. After we delete that terrible army. Let's get some horses. And then let's get knights. Yeah. It's medieval theme. Let's get priest. Priest, come on. And then let's go. Go! Oh, he's hitting the horse. That's what they do. They like spring in. Or they shoot their projectile. He fell off. Is the priest? Oh, nice. The priest is doing it. The knights are doing it. Oh no, guys. Oh, we lost. Oh, the priest was the only one left with his bald head. Oof. Rip. Rip indeed. Rip indeed, man. Rip indeed. Anyway, so now let's do some catapults from afar. And then let's do some potion throwers. These poison people. Oh wait, that's way too many. Wait. Let's just do one. Then let's do... These guys are kind of expensive, man. Let's do Java. That's expensive. They look really overpowered. Look at this dude. Look at him. I will not be messing with that guy. He's got all of them. He's got a nice beard, that's what bad. He has a big blade though. Look at that. No. These are cactuses, so I don't know if he's gonna lose. Cactuses are overpowered. And then let's get some of these guys. We don't have enough for another one. That's just sad. And so I guess we're doing samurai. I'm gonna play as a samurai. I'm gonna go for cactuses. What are we gonna do? The Jowl's going in. He's distracting him. Oh, the cactuses, they're mostly... Oh, that's not good. The Jowl comes back. Oh, no, I think he's dead. And the samurai instantly dies. And then the Jowl... Okay, you got this. What? He just instantly died. That wasn't the best. There's only 2 left. One of them is poisoned. Poison him! What that? There's just 1 left getting poisoned. And he was a poisoner guy. And the Jowl is dead. Look how many spikes he has in him. He grabbed the cactus, that's probably why. Oh, that, no. Look at this guy, he has the big body, tiny head. That's the guy that stayed alive out of all of them. Anyway, now it's bullets and cactus. Cactus. Oh wait, we have some on our side already. Wait a minute. We're red. No fair! Well, we got like a lot of money. I think we should kill the guys behind us and then kill the guys in front of us. So you guys are gonna die. No, wait, not a cannon. Why would I want a cannon? No. Not gonna lose. They won't never expect to be behind them. Let's get to it. Let's see how that works. Even though it's not gonna win. Oh, it killed the guns guy. The cactus though, they wrestle. They wrestle, boy. They like destroy them, and then he's just not able to do anything. Oh wow. Let's see if they can. Hey, they can. They actually did it. They all survived too. That's really good. So now we know that that works. I'm excited about that. And then let's get here we go. So ninjas, maybe. Let's do some dragons. 2 of them. I was gonna say 3. I'm gonna do a ninja. I'm gonna be a ninja. Bam. Oh jeez. The gun. Oh wait, I forgot. Don't swing too fast. That's good. Get back! These do like no damage. They do that. Oh no, I'm getting attacked from the air. How are my guys doing? Oh, they're still taking 1 down. The cactus, it looks like it did so much damage, but it really did not. Quick, go men. Quick, leave the herd, leave the herd. Ah, no, watch out. Watch out, guys. No! Kill my father. That was my father. Oh, well, he didn't even use the pokey end. But he used the stick. The stick of death. And his hand. It went straight through. No, I didn't. It just kind of... He, like, dodged, but still hurt. Look at these guys. It looks like that's their mouth. They look creepy. Look at that. This guy has something wrong. This guy, though. Let me see inside your helmet a little bit. What about you? Nice. But, oh my. They, like, tried to kill him. And they did succeed. Wow, it was crazy. And they didn't even... We had, like, we had a decent amount of money. They're on our side again. What are these guys? Explosive cactus. It's even awesomer. Let's do spooky again. We're not gonna do this though. Let's do the jowl again. 2 of them. Wait, no, we need guys. No, wait, I have a better idea. Let's see. Oh, yes. Lots of headbutters. A couple of rows. They'll do the same thing. They're both the same set, so it shouldn't matter that much. They're not facing the right way, but they should attack that way. That spent a lot of money. And then I was thinking a cat, and then I'll control probably. I feel like it's kind of cheating to control, but it's a mechanic in the game. Okay, let's see if that does anything. No, I'm gonna. It missed completely. Maybe I should let someone else see it. Oh no, that's not good. The headbutt did nothing. Die! Oh no, the cactuses. Watch them go. Can they just not catch up? Come on. You got this. Oh. Get out of my way! They beat me up. They didn't have any TNT and they just beat me up. Well, I guess that didn't work. Let's do a king run. I just realized we can put them right there for that guy. And then right here. I spent all our money. Let's do a ninja. Without control. I think I'm gonna kill this guy first. Oh, that came out of nowhere. Who are you guys? Wait a minute. I didn't even see those. What? How did I not? I cannot see anything. How did I not see those? Yeah, this would have been a lot more easy, but not. And there. And I don't know. That's not good. Let's do fireworks. 2 of them. Boom! Dead. Can't see that. How did I die? It says 400. What do they do? What do these ballistas do? Oh my! I missed all those shots. Let me try again. Oh man. That's so overpowered. Oh, that's not good. No, roll over. I'm a dog. Okay, what are those cactuses doing? Okay, go. This is like the fastest vehicle ever. I'm not sure what the man is doing. Oh no. Go. Roll over. No, get off, cactus. He's draining our health. The cactus touch. Get off. Go. No! I'm actually still alive. Look at my guy. It's so awkward. Oh, okay, we finished. No! I thought I smacked them with it. No, they didn't care. Let's try that again. One more time. You know, I just realized it was back up. I know, we're at dead end. Cactuses are blocking us. What are the chances? That cactus was alive? I thought I was right over. Wait, he was dead. What hit us? Did he die by his own arrows? Oh wait, someone threw TNT probably. Oh my gosh, you know, I'm not trying that again. I thought that might actually work, but it didn't. We need to try this. Wait, fire. In doubt, fire. Burn this way, guys. Burn, dragon, burn. I mean, burn them, dragon. Oh wait, this actually might work. No, that dragon's down. The cactus is left, and that guy. Attack! See, that almost worked, and we had 500 left. What do you want to do? What do we do with 500? What's the best idea? 500. I'll arrange that shoots multiple times. 200 do bucket. We'll do 2 of them. We still have like 100 left over. And then after this, we'll probably stack. Bang! That has a kick to it. The dragon said there was resistance. Bang! You're fine. Bang! Oh no, this was a fail. They just like dogpiled me. I didn't get to see that. That sucks. Well, we know that this is hard level. Very hard level. It is explosive cactus. Explosive cactuses suck. They're way too hard. They're annoying. And this is what happens. Man, maybe we'll get past it next time. Anyway, that's kind of it. Bye, Bucket Boys. Bye, Bucket Boys. Bye!